Why this is a lie and scam. Join for free. Get paid weekly and monthly. Real investments or businesses don't hand out free, guaranteed weekly, monthly payments. This is a common Ponzi scheme tactic. They promise passive income to lure people in, often using money from new recruits to pay old ones. No product, no drop shipping, nothing like that. If there's no real product or service, then there's no legitimate source of revenue. That means any payouts come only from recruiting others. Illegal pyramid structure. Blow your mind 100%. Life-changing. Scam pitches rely on emotional hype instead of explaining what the opportunity actually is. Notice how they don't mention how money is made, just hype words like life upside down, blown my mind, etc. If you think everything's a scam, move along. That's psychological manipulation. They try to silence healthy skepticism. Real opportunities welcome questions and provide transparency, not guilt-tripping. We've been paid weekly and monthly since we started. This is unverifiable without proof. Classic scam trick. Show off selective success stories while hiding the fact that most people lose money. Here's your sign.